Hello everyone, myself I am Maheshwari. I am pursuing BTech third year. Today I will be presenting an overview of my virtual internship experience with ZScale Networking. This internship program has been instrumental in understanding concepts of networking. Overview of the internship. This internship has offered by the ZScaler in collaboration AICTE and EduScale Foundation. Internship provides the essential insights into the network. The primary objects were the virtual knowledge and support the professional development. Here this is the final certificate of this internship. Here this is the agenda of my internship. In this agenda we can learn about the overall network overview and network IP addressing and communication and network subtitling and tunneling techniques. This is the course access process. First we can create the guest account on the ZScaler platform. After we can create the account and we can upload your details. Once you upload your details, you can access your course. Once you access your course, you can do the modules and assignments. Here in my internship, I had three mainly assignments. I have three main assignments. Certificate process. Once we complete your modules and assignments, we can receive the certificate. That certificate for the verification URL. In this URL, we can upload your certificate. First model, network overview. In this network overview, network is nothing about the connecting devices to the exchange data and share the resources. And second module is the network protocol and communication. Protocols is nothing but the standardized rules enables to the communication between the devices. And nothing about the communication. Network communications is nothing about the across over layers of the different OS model. This is the another module of the OS model and 7 layers. This OS model given the devices divided into the 7 layers. These 7 layers from physical layer to the application layer. Each layer has a specific function. And another model is overview of IP addressing and subnetting. IP addressing is nothing but network on device the communications, and subnetting is nothing but when a large device is divided into the small parts, that small parts improving the organization. This last module, overall tunneling is nothing but encapsulating overview of the networking. Conclusion: this internship I will learn about the hands-on project, and I will learning about the network technologies. Thank you.